Oh, Maria. Maria, I'm telling you, just get some sleep. I really appreciate you coming out to the stream today. I'm telling you, I really do. I'm serious. I really do appreciate you coming out to the stream. Get some sleep, girl. You've been up all night. Get some sleep, please. Just for me. Do it for me. I think I think the servers are being like really weird right now. I'm eating everything I can't find that's delicious. What is it? I know, dude. There's so much wait, man. I fucking really am so sorry about that, guys. There's a really bad wait. I don't know what the fuck is going on with the servers, man. Okay, I'm from Brazil. Shame that I have Xbox if not, because I would play with you. I know, Julio. It sucks that you got an Xbox, man. You gotta upgrade that to a PlayStation 4, man. Sup, Mike? What's going on, bro? How are you? What time is it where you live? It is 8:21. It's 9:21 in Texas. It is 8:21. See, what the fuck, dude? Hashtag I'm here. Alexa coming back and forth. Um. Look, everybody gets kicked out of my server or out of the fucking game. I don't get it. I've been here for the whole time. Hell yeah, Hector. That happens to me. I don't know why it's happening, guys. It fucking sucks. But meanwhile, guys, if you guys can, please give me a thumbs up, like the video, and also subscribe, guys. That helps out so much, guys. I really want to just get this. I want to get the subscriber rate up to like 1,400. That'd be so fucking crazy. But yeah. Give me one second. I'm gonna add some light up in this beast. Maybe that can bring me to life, you know. Ugh. If we can get into a freaking server, dude, we'll be fine. Check out what Vega's doing. I'm gonna check out. Alright, definitely do that. I'm back. What's going on, Malik? I can't stream any cheats, bro. I can't stream cheats. Can you hear? Okay. Alright, hold on. Okay. Yeah, I can't stream cheats, man. I've been here for the whole night. Hell yeah, dude. And you've been a fucking achiever, man. Achiever right there. Thank you, Maria. You're like a boss. I'm so surprised you stayed out here all night. That's crazy. All right, y'all want to see? Y'all just want to go around killing people or what? Bitch. What's going on, Hike Plays? Hike Plays, man. I definitely hit you up earlier. Oh, that's not even Hike Plays. Fucking little fake. I'm gonna say, man, I hit that ass up on Twitter earlier, man. I'm playing GT on my PS3 only. What if Rockstar put in the cheats? Are you going... It doesn't matter. Unless they say I can, I can't. That's not the real Hike. Oh, you little bitch, dude. Come on, dude. Yeah, so that's why we definitely won't be doing cheat codes, man. They don't like that shit. I don't want to get in trouble, man. No. Dumb fuck. I think they just popped the fucking tire, dude. Fucking bitch. You can try. Alright, Maria, we're definitely gonna try. What's going on, Frank? Oh, welcome to the stream, buddy. Glad you came back. Glad you made it out here, man. We are currently about to go to the military base, try to get up on the tank, and see what we can do. Let's do challenges. Alright, what do you guys want to... What is the challenge for you guys? What do you guys want to see me do? Currently, right now, we're about to go to the base. We're going to grab the tank and shit, and, you know, we're going to troll. We're going to try to get the tank up out of there and then see what we can do. Yay. What is going on, bro? Welcome back, character. Dude, fuck, man. I get fucked up when I read the comments. Or just call... Mr. Steve Girl. What is going on, Wilder? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Just a quick update, dude. We're about to go to the base right now. We're gonna try to take the tank, or we're gonna take the tank. We're gonna go in under a cop's blind eye or whatever, and end up trying to get into a tank. And soon as they see you rolling, they